Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star.
In Jesus' story, what does a shepherd with 100 sheep do when one is lost? A. Abandons the search. B. Hires more shepherds. C. Leaves the 99. Or D. Sells the remaining sheep. The correct answer is C. Leaves the 99. When finding his lost sheep, does he put it on his shoulders with joy? Could this be considered true? The answer is true. Who does the shepherd invite to celebrate after returning home? A. Family only. B. Friends and neighbors. C. Other shepherds. Or D. The sheep's owner. The correct answer is B. Friends and neighbors. There is more joy in heaven over one person turning back to God than 99 who don't need to. Is this assertion true? The answer is true.
By engaging with this content, you're helping others find their path to God's wisdom. Your like and subscription make a difference.
What did the woman do after losing one of her 10 silver coins? A. Blamed her husband. B. Called the police. C. Gave up searching. Or D. Lit a lamp. The correct answer is D. Lit a lamp. The woman called her friends to share her happiness after finding the coin. Would you say this is true? The answer is true. What happens in heaven when someone changes their heart and turns to God? A. Brief celebration. B. Great joy. C. Quiet acceptance. Or D. Simple recognition. The correct answer is B. Great joy. The younger son asked for his share of the family property. Would you agree this is true? The answer is true. What did the younger son do with his wealth after leaving home? A. Donated it. B. Invested it. C. Saved it. Or D. Wasted it. The correct answer is D. Wasted it. A severe food shortage hit the country after the young man spent everything. Would you rate this as true? The answer is true. What did the son plan to admit when returning home? A. I deserve better. B. I have sinned. C. I need money. Or D. I want revenge. The correct answer is B. I have sinned. The father ran to welcome his son when he saw him from far away. Is the above statement correct? The answer is true.
By engaging with this content, you're helping others find their path to God's wisdom. Your like and subscription make a difference.
The father celebrated because his son who was lost is now found. Is this assumption accurate? The answer is true. How did the older brother react to the celebration? A. Became angry. B. Forgave immediately. C. Joined happily. Or D. Left town. The correct answer is A. Became angry. The older brother said his sibling had done what with his share? A. Given it away. B. Invested it wisely. C. Saved it carefully. or D, wasted it? The correct answer is D, wasted it. The father said everything he has belongs to the older son too. Is this belief true? The answer is true. What emotion is appropriate when someone who is lost is found? A. Celebration. B. Concern. C. Frustration. Or D. Indifference. The correct answer is A. Celebration.